farmer, baby. When he changed his behavior before the miracle, we drove him away and did a party. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. My soul shall glory in the Lord. The humble shall hear thereof and be glad. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt his name together. I sought the Lord and he answered me, and delivered me from all my fears. Oh, will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away. They looked unto him and were radiant, and their faces shall never be abashed. This poor man cried, and the Lord heard, and saved him out of all his troubles. The angel of the Lord encamped round about them that fear him, and delivereth them. Oh, consider and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that taketh refuge in him. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away. Oh, fear the Lord, ye his holy ones, for there is no one to them that fear him. The young lions do lack and suffer hunger, but they that seek the Lord who have not any good thing. Come, ye children, hearken unto me. I will teach you the fear of the Lord. Who is the man that desireth life? I love it is that he may see good therein. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away. Keep thy tongue from evil, and thy lips from speaking guile. Depart from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. The eyes of the Lord are toward the righteous, and his ears are open unto their cry. The face of the Lord is against them that do evil, to cut off the remembrance of them from the earth. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away. They cried and the Lord heard, and delivered them out of all their troubles. The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as are of a contrite spirit. Many are the ears of the righteous, but the Lord delivereth him out of them all. He keepeth all his bones, not one of them is broken. Evil shall slay the wicked, and meditate the righteous shall be held guilty. The Lord redeemeth the soul of his servants, and none of them that take refuge in him shall be desolate. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise in my mouth shall stay. I sought the Lord, he answered me, and he take all my fears away.